Hi folks, we're heading on our way. We're actually in Cupid right now and we're going to a bed and breakfast, but we're going to the restaurant part of it just for lunch. It's called Skipper Ben's. Heard a lot about it, said it's really good, so we're going to go and give it a try. So, we're up here in Avondale and we're going to pick a few berries now. I'm a berry picker, love it, so does Jerome. So, picked over, but we're getting a few between us.
Yeah.
Enough to bring home to Mom and Dad, I guess. Make a few blueberry muffins and so forth.
Yeah, and we're up here, when I was up here last year, there was lots of blueberries, but they're definitely picked over now. It's probably a little bit late, so we're just getting the last of them in this area anyway, but
there's still a lot not out yet.
yeah, but still there's lots of time from right up till September. You'll pick blueberries anyway, so
yeah,
it's we'll get more.
Anyway, it's a bit of fun. We enjoy doing it. Hard on the back, but eases the mind.
Yeah. So anyway, without further ado, we'll keep on picking. Just get some for Mom and Dad and see what happens after that.
Yep.